Hi folks, I thought I'd do another video to show you my little mini tabletop double burner furnace. I put one on earlier, but I thought I'd better do a better one and explain with a few better pictures. This one's obviously a double one, whereas the previous one was a single burner, and it's all off the shelf fittings. So these are actually stainless steel. The jet, which I'll show you in a second, is easy enough to make as well. These are all standard stainless steel with a Y piece there with the proper industry standard crimps, and this one's driven with a generic Silverline adjustable regulator, so you can turn up the power slightly, and everything fits onto a standard Calagas bottle. Now the tonneaus, which are these, the mixers, I'll show you on an actual larger version. It's easier for me to do, and that's the larger one for my other furnace. So what I'll do, I'll set it up into the tripod, and then I'll be able to take it to pieces and show you how it all works. Same again, standard gas tube with crimp on. Now the actual tonneau is again off the shelf fittings. That's a 3/4 plain steel pipe, black steel, and this is the 3/4 to 1.5 reducer, and in the back of there you have a 1.5 inch reducer to 1.5 inch to 1 inch, which screws into the back to nip this valve itself. So we'll take the valve out to show you. The valve is a solid piece of brass. Sorry, this one's nickel silver, but I normally do make them in brass, and it's drilled just over halfway to about 5mm diameter hole. This is actually 10mm, and then right in the centre you drill. You can see there, just see this one's actually a 1mm hole. On the other ones it's 0.5 millimetre. So you drill through 1mm hole into the hole that you've drilled laterally, and then on the reducer you just drill a hole either side so that can go straight through, and you place the jet hole facing towards the inside. So as you slide it in like that, and then simply nip that back, that nips it in place, and that's your tonneau. Nice, and it's simple and easy and cheap to make. This is cut off at an angle, so as when it's inserted into the furnace, this actual cutaway is the same as the inside curvature of the cement itself, so as it forces the flame round and it swirls in a circle. So that's basically it. It's quite simple to do. So I'll pause the video and show you the other one running. So won't be 2 ticks. So here we are set up onto the standard Calagas. Make sure the pressure's turned off, the maximum pressure. Have your lighter ready. Turn it on. As you can see there, the pressure turned down. I'll turn it up slightly. Start it again because the jet is not actually in line, so I'll start it again in a sec. Yeah, what it was, the actual jets on the middle of the main jet itself had been moved, so they were exactly in the centre and facing the inside. So now they are. We can start it up again. This body is actually made from an old CO2 bottle, what the pubs have for gas in the beer. So I just cut 2 discs of that off, 2 inch for a base, and then a 4 inch one for the main body. So we'll turn it on again. There we go. adjust the power by turning up the regulator itself.